and welcome here to Six Wheels Down. I'm Torkild Brunsnes, but here in the States I usually just go by Thor. My name is Danish because I come from Denmark originally, but came here to the States in 2009 and has basically been here ever since. I'm married to Nicole, and Nicole and I we have been speculating quite a lot here for the last couple of years because we had a dream, and that was to become full-time travelers. And to realize that dream, we had to make some major changes. One good thing we did is we followed the Dave Ramsey classes through our church out in Pueblo West, and through that we really made some changes in life. We started pursuing becoming completely debt-free, and that has been really great. So we are in a lucky situation today where we don't owe anything on cars or motorcycles or motorhome or anything, and that gave us a golden opportunity to start going full-time RVing. So our plan is to travel around here in the United States and see as much as we can. To do that, we also had to quit our jobs. Nicole was working as a surgical technologist at St. Mary Corwin, and I was technical manager for a wind turbine factory making towers for wind turbines here in Pueblo, Colorado. We both had to stop working there and go full into this. So, what's next? To start as travelers, first of all, we need an income. My wife, she did sign up with a traveling agency for surgical technologists. It's a company called Aya, and almost right away she had a lot of different jobs she could choose between, and we picked out a first assignment in Roswell, New Mexico. So that's where we will go here the next 3 months. And we also had to get residency. As we don't have a house anymore, we live out of our motorhome. It's a requirement that you have residency somewhere in the United States. That's where you pay your taxes, you go to court if that's needed, and all these kind of things. So we went to South Dakota and established residency there. We contacted an agency, and this agency is called American Mailbox. It's a very good and professional company. Gave us good advice all the way through, and while we got everything organized, we could actually stay at their campground in Box Elder in South Dakota. So we had 10 days up there, and we got all paperwork done. We got our vehicles registered in South Dakota, so we now have license plates from there. We also got our driver's licenses changed over at the local DMV. So all that is now in place, and the next will be to start heading south to New Mexico. So when we get to New Mexico, what can you expect? I can promise you it will be exciting. I have here a list here I printed out with 17 best things to do in Roswell. And I can tell you, there's of course a lot of UFO stuff about the Area 51 and the crash of the UFO out there. They have museums here. They have places you can go and experience stuff where there's a room you go into and weird stuff is happening in there, I've heard. So we'll definitely go and check that out. I'll take my motorcycle out every week to a new place. We are here for 12 weeks. So every week there will be a new destination and you can follow me out there. There are wineries to go and visit. There's a zoo here in town that we will go and check out as well. I've heard, I haven't seen it yet, but out by the airport there should be a place where they store old aircrafts that are no longer in use, and there should be a lot of them. So I guess that would be kind of fun to see as well. So there are festivals coming up here in September with local food and markets. We will go and check that out as well. We'll go to the bottomless lakes. The bottomless lakes are these holes where the earth has collapsed. I think it's gas explosions happening down there, and it all collapses, and then afterwards it fills up with water. And when it does that, it leaves some really nice lakes. So out there's a nature resort where you can camp out there, and people go scuba diving because these holes they're really deep. So of course we will go and check that out as well. So I hope you are looking forward to all this and will join Nicole and I on this trip here with our channel called Six Wheels Down. We are right in the beginning of it, but I can promise you at least once a week there will be a new video. I expect there will be more, but I promise you at least one a week from a new place, and the next 3 months it will be here in New Mexico. After that it will be somewhere else in the United States. So please join us for a very interesting adventure, and if you like this video and if you're looking forward to what's coming, please hit the like button down below here, and also hit the subscribe button. That's very important, because then you will get us on your menu of favorite channels, and you will get a warning or a little announcement when there is a new video published from us. So please join us in this. Thank you.